In front of me is POCO C75, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Autofill. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Then tap on All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google, and finally Google Password Manager. Now it's time to tap on one of your passwords to edit. Enter your screen lock and use Edit button to change whatever you want to. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!